Hey, this is Brian. I have a challenge for you guys. With our YouTube channel and our TikTok channel, can you guys please go like, subscribe, and share? It's really critical. The more we can get followers, the more these dogs you're seeing, our fallen past loved ones, will be honored, even their founder. We need all the support and everything we can get because we need to start raising almost $600,000 to get the sanctuary bought and construction started. Please honor these guys. These photos are of fallen dachshunds and loved ones. Thank you and have a good day.